What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to use your launch control and line lock features on your 2021 Camaro SS. So, with that being said, let's get a good warm start in and get this video started.
So, I want to thank y'all for clicking and watching today's video. Like I mentioned before, today I'm going to be showing you how to use your launch control and line lock features on your 2021 Camaro SS. Now, I think starting in 2019, these features came down from the Z01 to the SS, so it's a pretty cool add-on as far as features for the car. But yeah, so guys, I need to throw in, I didn't do a video last week because I had a lot going on, but next weekend, I'm joining the Big Wang gang and putting a Z01 1LE splitter on the back of the car. It's supposed to be this weekend, but it didn't come in as soon as I thought it would. So make sure to smash that subscribe button so you can see that video. That wing is going to look great on this car. As well, I won a car contest for a pretty cool custom car part. You're going to want to see that. So if you're part of 98% watching, smash that subscribe button so you can see that. That video will be within the next week to 2 weeks. So pretty neat on that. So without wasting too much time, because it is blazing hot out here, let's jump in the car and show you how to do this.
All right, so for launch control, first off, we're going to start off with how to find it. You're going to go down to options. It'll be the first option available. So you see it says disabled. So what you want to do is go down to track mode. Let this get off the screen first. You see it still says disabled, so you're going to press this twice. 3 times, my bad. And it says ESC competitive mode. I said twice because a lot of times you do only have to press it twice and it'll say ESC competitive mode. So you see it says press and hold brake, but first we're going to go over to the right. It's set on automatic, but down here you have custom. You can set your launch RPM. You can go all the way down to 1200 and all the way up to 2400. We're going to set it back to where it was. And then slip target, you can, it's on 10%, but you can go all the way down to 5% or all the way up to 15%. Let's put it back to where it was. I like automatic because it kind of takes everything else into consideration. And there is your line lock feature listed there. So let's put it back on automatic. Now it says press and hold brake, and you'll see that as I press the brake, you'll see the percentages going up until you get all the way, and it'll be a green check mark. So best thing I've read about doing this is actually to jam the brake really hard and then jam the throttle all the way to the floor, and it should hold at where the automatic RPM limit is set. So I think automatic's going to set about 2000 here, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. This can be a little tricky, so you might not be, you know what I mean, you might not get it the first time. Kind of stumbled on words there, but let's do it. So we're going to jam the brake and hit the throttle all the way to the gas. We're going to give it a shot. We're going to put it in drive. All right, we're going to jam the brake, press the throttle, let's hold it. Oh yeah, you can feel that. Let's back it up here, throw it in reverse. But that is how you do launch control. Now this can be really good. It might help with your 0 to 60 times as well. So now what we're going to try is the line lock function. Now, unless you have drag radials on your car, you don't want to do this too much unless you just want to go spend a bunch of money on tires very often. So I do want to go ahead and point out, to cancel this, you're going to press the 2 middle buttons here. That'll cancel it at any time. So what this does is it locks the front brakes, and then it'll give you about 15 seconds to do your burnout and such. So I'm going to fully apply the brakes. See, it says 100%. It says front wheels locked, release brakes. So now we can do burnout whatever we want to do. As you see all that smoke going around the car. That was pretty cool. So I don't want to do that too much because it was wet earlier, but it's pretty dry out here. And if you want to do that and not eat your tires up as much, make sure it's a little wet outside. But otherwise you're going to just burn through some rubber really quick unless you got some drag radials. So you see it's now disabled. Put it back in tour mode, just to save a little bit of gas on the way home.
There you have it, YouTube. Very short and quick video today. My fan is on the car because it is blistering out here. That thing is loud. But yeah, super easy. You know, if you want to do some burnouts beside somebody at a light, the line lock feature will do that for you. It's pretty cool. You got that drag strip smell when you burn in that rubber. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, so if you like this video, like I said, it's super short compared to my other stuff and probably not as detailed as my other stuff, but got some big videos coming in the next 1 to 2 weeks. So if you like this video, go check out the rest of the channel. As you see it popping up there, got some great stuff for y'all. So if y'all have a V6, you know, 2.0, SS, ZL1, whatever, something on this channel will probably spark some ideas. So I appreciate y'all watching, YouTube. Until next week, peace out.